Well, that's an interesting question. Actually, Rova was a suffix which was used in the Rhodia group, which was part of Rhône-Poulenc at the time. There was a lot of product which were starting with the prefix Rova, and then Rovabio because of biotech, and this is how Rovabio came.
From a biotech perspective, I would say there were three big achievements. First, it was the first real success in engineering the strain with a direct impact on the quality of the enzyme cocktail. Then, the optimization and the mastery of the fermentation process. And finally, the strong understanding we built around the enzymes and their mode of action, especially the xylinases and their rabinofuranosidases.
So it was important to consider the whole raw material of the feed. And one of the key points was how to use the benefit of the enzyme on the feed. Do you put that on each raw material? Considering, for instance, sometimes you put only 5% DDGs or 5% sunflower, so you put only the potential improvement of this small quantity of raw material. Or, in fact, we realized very quickly that when you put 2% of one raw material, 3%, 5%, at the end, you have a global effect on the digestibility of the corn, soybean, and so on of the ration. So it became more and more important to say, okay, then we should not consider the raw material per se, but consider more the feed. And that's where the feed days came from.
PNE is definitively a game changer for the customer. It gives to them a better understanding of the raw material quality they are using in their daily operation in formulation. They are able to fine-tune their formula and better understand the safety margins they are taking to achieve their objective. As a consequence, it is a gain of time and money for them, and they can take a great decision with a big confidence.
Today, the equation includes the feedstuffs components like arabinoxylan, fat, phytate content, creating a model that can support the customers to change the way to think about nutritional matrix of enzyme.
Surely, the feed digestibility is in the center of a sustainable animal production. So you can expect that still will keep investing in our services, in our portfolio, giving our customers more and more tools to improve their feed efficiency and the sustainability of their feed production.